Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we are looking at the Everlasting Android Tweak, an incredible tool that works on any Android phone. This app is the true heart of Android, a powerful, feature-rich toolkit designed to unlock the full potential of your device. It brings advanced gestures, deep customization, system controls, and smart utilities to enhance and personalize your Android experience. With a massive total of 46 unique features baked right in, this is the ultimate hub for modifying and upgrading your daily driver. Let us dive right in and get this set up. First, I am opening up my file manager and navigating over to the Downloads folder, where I have the Everlasting Android Tweak APK file saved. Since this is a system-level tweaking app that provides a massive suite of utilities, you won't find it directly on the standard App Store, so we are sideloading it today. The file size is surprisingly compact for everything it packs inside, making it a very lightweight addition to your internal storage. Just tap on the APK file to initiate the installation process. During the installation, you might run into a quick roadblock. Because this app uses advanced permissions to control system elements, Google Play Protect will likely flag it and block the installation. Do not worry, this is completely normal for powerful tweaking applications. Just tap on More Details and select Install Anyway. If it completely blocks it, head into your Google Play Store settings, go to Play Protect, tap the gear icon, and temporarily turn off the Scan Apps with Play Protect option. Once you disable that, head back to your file manager and the installation will go through perfectly smoothly. After it successfully installs, you can go right back to the Play Store and turn Play Protect back on to keep your device secure. Alright, the app is open and you are greeted by this beautiful, clean interface broken down by categories. Let's quickly walk through what you get. Under Gestures, there are 6 amazing tools. You can shake your phone to toggle the flashlight, twist your wrist to open the camera, and use double tap back to trigger your torch or apps. There's also Flip Face Down to enable Do Not Disturb, a beautiful animation when your charger connects, and a custom navigation bar overlay. Moving to Power and Buttons, you get 4 features, including a total replacement for the system power dialer, a double power press to trigger an action, screen off actions for long pressing buttons while the screen is off, and a convincing fake power off to trick onlookers. For audio and haptics, you get 6 tweaks, a built-in 5-band equalizer to tune your audio, a volume booster to amplify sound beyond system limits, custom volume panel styles, personalized tap and scroll vibration haptics, custom sounds for locking, unlocking, and charging, along with custom call and alarm vibration patterns. Under Customization, you can add over 15 custom quick settings tiles, use an eyedropper to pick any color from your screen, and view a live compass with an animated UI. Under Visuals, there are 4 great additions. Add widgets directly to your lock screen, apply beautiful screensaver themes, use pixel-style wallpaper effects, upscale photos up to 2 or 4 times with AI, and add EXIF overlay watermark frames to your photos. For productivity, you get 4 options: freeze, hide, or suspend apps via Hail, check GitHub for side-loaded app updates, set an alert when your battery hits a set limit, and prevent screen sleep with a quick settings tile. Device and System packs 7 vital tools: a task manager to view and kill running processes, an on-device terminal to run shell commands, a Shizuku-powered cache cleaner, secondary display projection, automatic reboot scheduling, a tool to unlock hidden Android settings, and a Maps power-saving mode to reduce drain during navigation. Security brings 2 features: a motion alert when the device is moved, and a blocker to prevent screenshots and screen recording. Under Communication, enjoy a Wi-Fi Direct push-to-talk walkie-talkie and a fake incoming call simulator. For notifications, you get edge lighting and flashlight pulses, plus detailed battery health and OEM data. Sensors provide a live magnetic field strength sensor and full hardware and software device info. For music and light, make your flashlight flash and vibrate to music beats and add an animated equalizer bar across your screen. Finally, under AI writing, Swift Slate AI offers AI-powered text replacement anywhere you type. That was a massive tour of the Everlasting Android Tweak app and all of its 46 incredible features. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more advanced Android mods, and I'll see you in the next one.